Meghan Markle has been asked to release her emails with the royal family's PR team and Oprah Winfrey, as well as documents relating to allegations she bullied her staff. Samantha Markle, her half-sister, is suing the Duchess of Sussex for libel in a case Meghan hopes will get thrown out of court following a hearing on February 15. However, in the meantime, lawyers for Samantha have submitted wide-ranging requests for evidence that they suggest is relevant to the case. Among their demands, seen by Newsweek, are any documents which relate in any way to bullying allegations and/or reports made against you. Meghan's team have so far refused, stating that it is an unwarranted fishing expedition, leading to a standoff between them and Samantha's attorneys. What Samantha Markle's legal team asked Meghan Markle to disclose. Samantha's team requested any and all pictures, written communications and phone logs Meghan holds documenting their relationship. She also wants all written communications between Meghan and Palace PR about Samantha, including with former Kensington Palace Communications Secretary Jason Now famously accused Meghan of bullying Tupac out of the palace in October 2018 and also handed a trove of the Duchess' private messages to the UK Court of Appeal in 2021. Additionally, they have asked Meghan, "Have you ever requested that any member of the royal family public relations team write stories about Samantha, or initiate negative press about that Samantha?" She also wants messages with royal PR relating to the biography Finding Freedom, by Omid Scobie and Carolyn Duran, and any phone logs which evidence calls between you and the authors. The book contains a chapter on Samantha and is mentioned throughout the court filing, including a request for written communications where you asked and/or requested your friends, family members, and/or co-workers not to participate in the content of the book Finding Freedom. There are also requests for messages with Nauf about Thomas Markle and messages with Thomas Markle about Samantha. A further request is for written communications with Oprah Winfrey and her representatives about the March 2021 interview, including ones that name Samantha. Some requests appear to have at best only a tangential connection to the case, for example the request for Meghan to admit that, on July 27, 2013, you posted on Instagram that you had lunch at a fine dining restaurant, Musso Frank Grill, with your father after every tap and ballet class. The reference appears to relate to Samantha's contention that Meghan misrepresented her childhood when she previously said she grew up on the salad bar at Sizzler. Samantha's requests also target her estranged daughter Ashley Hale's relationship with Meghan, after the Duchess revealed in December that they were friends. Her attorney has asked Meghan, "Did you disinvite Ashley Hale to your first wedding?" Elsewhere, they asked Meghan to admit that Queen Elizabeth and King Charles are not racist. How Meghan Markle's team responded. Meghan's lawyers have issued a broad-ranging objection to the whole request, partly on the basis that her application to have the case thrown out is yet to be decided. Meghan objects to undertaking the burden of responding to expansive discovery requests and collecting documents in light of the pending motions which could result in the dismissal, or stay, of this action. Some are also, according to her lawyers, not relevant to any party's claim or defense, and they note that discovery requests should be carefully scrutinized when they have the potential for harassment, embarrassment, and unnecessary invasions into one's private life. However, that was all before the U.S. District Judge in Tampa, Florida, ruled discovery in the case should proceed even while the parties wait to find out if the trial will go ahead at all. Where Meghan Markle and Samantha Markle go next. The picture that comes across as one of a generalized attack on the story Meghan has told about her family life and childhood, which extends significantly beyond the statements at the heart of the case. For example, Samantha has accused Meghan of falsely presenting herself as an only child during the Oprah interview, yet it is difficult to see how any past disagreements between Meghan and Hale could have any bearing on that. Samantha's attorney has accused Meghan of stonewalling after every single one of their requests was rejected, and it may be that if the case goes to trial then Meghan will have to answer at least some of it. However, she may also succeed in pushing back on some of the more obscure questions too. Either way, Meghan will be hoping to bring the entire case to a grinding halt as soon as possible through her motion to dismiss.